Viewers, welcome to online and class. Now we will learn about articles because of many reasons and use of articles is very necessary. Articles articles there are two types of articles. A and B is called articles. Definite definite articles and indefinite articles. Indefinite articles definite articles the comes from that, and indefinite articles a or an comes from comes from comes from one from one one. Now I am going to discuss now I am going to discuss the use use of a and the use of a or an. A before vowel, and A before consonant, and before vowel, and before consonant for vowel sound, and a before vowel for u or wa sound. Example: dash orange, dash kiwi, dash banana, dash university, dash honest man, orange, consonant, the first letter is consonant vowel, so we have to use here an. EV, the first letter is E, but the sound is U, so we have to use here A. Banana, the first letter of the word is consonant, so we have to use here A. University, the first letter is U, but the sound is U. So we have to use here A. Honest man, the first letter of honest is H, but we have to use here N. Now I am going to the use of definite articles the. The use of the plus noun plus of plus noun, the plus superlative degree, the plus ordinal number and the plus repetition, repetition repetition of common noun, the plus river, ocean, Iceland, Iceland's, sea, united name, meaningful name, meaningful name of a country or place, famous book, transport, transport, movie, newspaper, paper. Example, dash Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal, Bengal, dash United States, United States, UK, dash US, dash Padma, dash Andamans, Andamans. The man, a man is coming, a man is coming, dash man has three sons. Bay of Bengal, the name of sea, we have to use here the UK meaningful name, we have to use here the US meaningful name, we have to use here the Padma. Mighty river, we have to use here the Andaman's Islands, we have to use here the a man is coming, it is common noun, but here we have to use the for repetition of common noun the. Dear learners, by these rules, you will be able to learn and the proper use of articles. Thank you to watch the video or YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel to continue it.